Enjoying barbecue party with loved ones or friends while enjoying the open water is absolutely a wonderful bonding moment that everyone would certainly love. These days, grilling is becoming more popular and is deemed as one of the most favorite activities that people like doing. Aside from eating lots of delicious grilled foods, this serves as a very intimate means to catch up with families and close buddies. There are many products available to choose from best boat grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best boat grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill. Are you shopping for portable and superb quality gas grills for boats? If you wish to narrow down your search, then you can give this device a chance to show you how exceptional it really is to work for your needs. It is good to note that this grill is energy efficient, since it only utilized a little propane, yet it could reach by up to a total of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This clearly conveys that it could execute a great job of sizzling steaks, to however you prefer. Built with foldable legs, and a total of 145 square inch cooking surface. Includes a briefcase-like carrying handle. Number 2. Weber Liquid Propane Grill. If you love boat barbecues, then you are probably looking for an excellent quality boat grill that could make your dream barbecue setting a success. This cute 1200 grill by Weber is a good option for you to try, considering it has lots of amazing features and functions for you to take pleasure in when grilling your most favorite foods. This device is capable of superbly retaining heat due to its porcelain-coated cast iron material. Likewise, it is this porcelain coating that significantly helps avoid sticking, reason why the grill is not exhausting to clean up. Once bought, this already includes built-in thermometer, one stainless steel burner, precision burner control, aluminum lid, electronic ignition, as well as an aluminum body. This is famous for its unique design and incredible sturdiness. It is not solely an outstanding grill to cook on, but it also looks awesome. Comes fully assembled. Built with top-quality construction. Equipped with premium quality burner made of top-quality stainless steel. Capable of cooking like a full-size type of grill. Designed with infinite control burner valve setting and electronic ignition that's effortless to start. Number 3. Masterbuilt Smoke Hollow Propane Grill. If you are going to go over some marine grill reviews, then you will uncover that this product can be regarded as one of the most preferred choices of many boat owners around the globe. Aside from its affordability and portability, this is loaded with stunning features that you won't find in other similar products. The handle of this grill is big enough to make carrying more convenient and a lot more comfortable. Its heating capacity is 10,000 BTU. This is reason why it is surprising to get it at a less expensive cost. The cooking surface of the grill is adequate enough to enable easy transfer between pieces of meat. Also, this includes a stainless steel dip tray once purchased. Famous for its portability and super solid construction. Features large cooking surface and comes with warming rack. Designed with foldable stainless steel legs. Ideal for tailgating trips, camping and hiking activity. Number 4. Magma Connoisseur Series Gas Grills. For you to be able to auspiciously find the best marine grill for your needs, it is essential to compare some products first. Luckily, this model is worth considering, since it comes with several features and functions for you to absolutely adore. Such device is especially built with fold-away legs, long enough handle, and an ideally balanced lid that locks in place. It is also designed with snap-put radiant plate that is quite convenient to utilize, and allows well-balanced heat distribution. What is more, this grill is not intricate to care for and maintain, and it is manufactured with mirror-polished stainless steel. The swiveling valve is meant to ensure instant safe gas bottle exchange. The huge surface area of this device could cook or grill for a larger group of people. Can be connected to CNG or LPG systems or utilize propane canister. Pros. Comes with well-balanced lid that's lockable. Designed with swiveling valve. Equipped with grease tray that locks in place and easy to remove. Built with full-length handle. Number 5. Kuma Camco Stow Gas Grill. If you are searching to invest in a premium quality grill for Chaparral boat, then you may take a closer look at this option. This is built with compact size, and it is known for being manufactured with superior quality. Over and above, it is interesting to note that its size is ideal for being stored in an RV or motorhome. And, since it is quite portable, you could transport it without any problem, and you could affix it to any rod, pedestal or rail mount. This device is a lightweight unit, and cleaning it up is not complicated to work on. It comes with super sturdy construction, and it is an ideal pick for camping, and it remains durable even with frequent storing and moving around. Comes with heating capacity of 9,000 BTU. Adaptable with 1-pound throwaway cylinders. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.